Well, I'm a general practitioner here at SHA and also the specialist in digestive health. I'm the director of the digestive health unit at the moment. Hippocrates said many years ago, disease begins in the gut. This field is getting more and more important in the scientific world. Also, many of our guests have digestive problems. It's not a new a field, as we know, but we have to say that there is more research, scientific research and relevance the last year. So we know more about the microbiota, we know more about the link between brain and the gut and the immune system. SHA, we have an integrative point of view. So I think this is a perfect place to treat our gut, but because we are not treating only our digestive health, but also our emotional health, physical health, anti-inflammatory therapies. So we make an individualized approach, also nutritionally and medically. We support all the elimination of toxins, and we support the anti-inflammatory process. So that's why we attach the gut program, the digestive health program, to the detox program. We have all the tools to recover our gut here, to start recovering our gut. We give a lot of importance to the diet and nutrition, which is a pillar of the gut health, of course. So we try to do to follow an anti-inflammatory diet, which means it's rich in vegetables, as you say. We don't serve any kind of meat, animal meat. And we try to follow these anti-inflammatory parameters, and also we use a lot of alkaline foods. So that's the way we try to detox our organism, to try to eliminate toxins. We would like people to learn good habits and what they can eat, what they shouldn't eat, and what's the best for them. And not only in the nutrition and feeding, but also about stress, for example. We give a lot of importance to the management of stress, because we know that the two main origins of digestive problems are people who have an unbalanced diet, but also people with stress. So we want to give this importance to these two items, and people like to learn how to manage with the stress. They have the chance to do it here also.